Hello everyone, welcome to FOC class 12. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus for session 2022 to 2023 of IT class 12 Information Technology subject code 802. The total marks are 100, out of which 60 marks are of theory and 40 marks are of practical work. This is the syllabus of IT class 12. Here are various parts and a note is also given at the bottom. Let us discuss this syllabus in detail. First of all, part A. It is employability skills. It has 5 units and out of these 5 units, unit 1 and unit 5 are star marked as you can see here. And it is note given by CBSE in the PDF that star marked units will not come in your theory exam. So basically theory exam is a board exam. So as you are in class 12, you will be giving your board exam of class 12. So these units which are star marked, they will not be asked in your board exam, but they can be asked in the internal assessment like unit test or any other activity, but they will not be asked in the main board exam. So the unit which will come in board exam are unit 2, unit 3 and unit 4, and their marks weightage are given here. So the total of employability skills is 10 marks. Now comes part B. It is subject specific skills. It has 4 units. Unit 1 database concept, RDBMS tool. It is of 15 marks. Then is unit 2 operating web based applications. It is of 10 marks. Then is unit 3 Java. Here are given the various contents available in your chapter Java, and you can see that this unit 3 Java has the highest weightage of 20 marks. It is a very important chapter. We will be covering this chapter very soon. Then is unit 4 work integrated learning IT DMA. So it is of 5 marks and the total of subject specific skills is 50 marks. So 50 marks of subject specific skills and 10 marks of employability skills. So the total for theory is 60 marks. Part C. First of all, practical work. It has 2 parts, Java program and SQL queries. Java program are of 10 marks as well as SQL queries are also of 10 marks. Then is practical file. It must contain 15 Java programs and 15 queries in MySQL. This is the minimum number that you should have. You can even prepare more than 15 of each. So this practical file is of 10 marks and then is Viva, which is of 5 marks. So basically this is the work, practical work that you will be doing in your computer lab, and this is the file that you must submit for practical, and during practical your Viva will also be conducted, which will be of 5 marks. So the total of part C is 35 marks. Now remaining are 5 marks. They are basically of project work. Any application made using Java NetBeans IDE. So basically these 5 marks are of project work in which you have to make any application using Java NetBeans IDE. For this you will be awarded 5 marks. So the grand total is 100 marks. We have discussed the marks weightage. Also, I would like to inform that we will be learning how to make application in Java NetBeans IDE, and we will also be covering the chapter Java. So you can prepare your chapters from our videos also. Now let us discuss the syllabus in detail. First of all, Part A, Employability Skills. It has 5 units as I have already told you. Let us discuss these units in detail. First is Unit 1 Communication Skills. As I have already told you, it will not be asked in your board exam, but it can come in your internal assessment or any other activity. It has 3 sessions: active listening, parts of speech, and writing sentences. Then is Unit 2, Self-Management Skills. It will be asked in your board exam. It has also 3 sessions: motivation and positive attitude, result orientation, self-awareness. Unit 3, ICT Skills. It has 8 sessions and this unit is also coming in your board exam. Then is Unit 4, Entrepreneurial Skills. It has 4 sessions and it will also be coming in your board exam. Then is Unit 5, Green Skills. It has 2 sessions, Green Jobs and Importance of Green Jobs. Also, this unit is not coming in your board exam. It will only be asked in the internal assessment or any other activity. It will not come in your board exam. Now comes Part B, Subject Specific Skills. It has 4 units. I have already told you. Let us discuss these units in detail. First is Unit 1, Database Concept, RDBMS Tool. The topics in this chapter are basics of RDBMS, SQL, creating and populating tables, modifying the content and structure of table, ordering and grouping, operating with multiple tables. As you can see here, this topic is highlighted and also star mark is also there. So basically, this topic will only be asked in your practical exam and not in the theory exam. So you have to prepare this topic only from practical point of view and not from the theory point of view. The total marks of Unit 1 Database Concept RDBMS tool is 15 marks. Unit 2, Operating Web-Based Applications. It is of 10 marks. It has subparts: online reservation system, e-governance, online shopping and bill payments, online tutorials and test, project management, project essentials and tips. All these topics will come in your theory exam, but the topics of case study will not come in your theory exam. They will only be asked in your practical. So you have to prepare these case studies from practical point of view and you do not need to prepare them for your theory exam. Then comes Unit 3, Java. It has many topics: oriented programming, Java language elements, operators, control flow, array, class design, exception handling, assertion, threads, wrapper classes, and string manipulation. All these topics are part of Unit 3 Java. Out of these topics, assertion and threads, these topics will only be asked in your practical exam and no question will be asked from these topics, these two topics in your board exam. The marks weightage of Unit 3 is 20 marks. Then comes Unit 4, Work Integrated Learning IT DMA. It has two topics: identification of work areas and work experience. The marks weightage of this chapter is 5 marks. There is no topic reduced from this chapter and any topic reduced from any chapter is given in the syllabus by CBSE, and CBSE has mentioned that the topic which is star marked will not be asked in the theory exam, but it may be asked in your internal assessment or any other activity. I have already explained the details of the practical work. Let us have a quick look again. Practical work includes two parts, Java program and SQL queries. Java program are of 10 marks and SQL queries are also of 10 marks. In SQL queries, you have to create table and also 5 queries. Then is practical file. It is of 10 marks and this practical file must contain minimum 15 Java programs and minimum 15 queries in MySQL. This is practical file and its weightage is 10 marks. Then is Viva, it is of 5 marks. And then is project. In project work, you have to prepare any application using Java NetBeans IDE and this project will be of 5 marks. So the total of practical is 40 marks. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box or you can message us on Telegram app. Java videos are coming very soon. Till then, bye bye.